So this is my iOS 26 and this is my iOS 18. You can see on the new lock screen wallpaper. So how to set to your iPhone? First of all, you have to update your phone with latest iOS 26. You can see my iOS version is iOS 26, and once done, then lock your screen and press and hold, and then you can see the plus icon. Then simply go to your iOS option, press on iOS, then now you can drag and drop, increase or decrease your clock. Also you can change your design as well. So once done, press on save. For example, this size, press on add, set as wallpaper. Now if I lock my or unlock my skin, then so that's it. Thank you. Have a good day.